Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Unreal Process has crashed error code, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to Steam. Just look for the game. Once you find it, right click on it, go over to library first, look for the game, right click on it, hit properties, and then go over to installed files. Now from installed files, what you can do is make your way over to verify integrity of game files, and what this basically does is that it just checks to see if there are any corrupt files, and it will fix that issue if there are. Now that is the first method. The second method you guys can try doing is by going over to the GeForce Experience app. If you're on NVIDIA, you can go over to drivers and you can go ahead and download or update any drivers if they are available. Now you can also do this by going over to the search bar, typing in device manager, going over to display adapters, and right clicking on your GPU and hitting update driver, and then going over to search automatically for driver. There are one of two ways to do this. Now once you do that, you guys should be good to go and the error code should be gone. And you can always try restarting your PC and restarting the game as well. Now that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.